Welcome to my channel. I'm William and this is my new adventure. You may all know me from my previous channel, William's Kitchen, where I shared with you recipes in French, in my kitchen in Paris and then in Lyon. And then I decided to create this channel exclusively for you in English. So it's going to be entirely in English and not French. And for those who don't know me, I created my channel back in 2013 and my goal was to share American recipes in French and French recipes in English. But today I decided to just start from the beginning and create this channel where I share with you all my recipes in English, whether it's French, American, English, Colombian, Chinese, you name it, it will be amazing. And trust me on that, I do make delicious desserts. I've been living in London for the past 2 months this summer and I'm going back to France in about 2 weeks for my studies. But believe me, I bring my camera with me everywhere and I'll keep on making great recipes everywhere I go. Please subscribe to this channel, it's a very important project to me and I'm very proud of it. So I would love it if you can help me and support this channel by watching the videos and just subscribing and commenting. So keep on watching and I will see you next time for the first recipe.